So today we're looking at the upgrade of the AD310 ANCEL Pro 2-in-1 OBD2 scanner and also a car battery tester. It has Bluetooth capabilities. It's a diagnostic tool with an app for your iPhone or Android. I personally am an Android user, and you could recheck engine light codes, has battery health monitor, battery test, cranking test, battery health test, charging test. All this in one compact unit that's very powerful. Now, it also has a little feature where you could look up codes within the unit. Gone are the days of getting a code on a scanner, running inside the house, going on the computer, looking up a code. This does it all in one shot, and it's a very powerful tool, compact device, comes with everything you need, and it's upgradable. You can download the app on your iPhone or Android. It has battery clamps that plug into the same port that plugs into the port in the car, and it works with most cars and batteries. So you could help identify and troubleshoot your vehicle. You get codes, you could figure them out, and you could avoid expensive repairs. You could be on the same page as your mechanic if you do not do the repairs yourself. This way, once you're on the same page with your mechanic, they tend to treat you a little bit more fair rather than just going in blind, so to say. So you got the complete kit, reliable support, ready to use outside the box, just like I did. And they got great customer service. ANCEL, quality tool, product, quality company. Put this in your cart, buy with confidence.